Welcome to the Fast Track Quantity Surveying YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to get free career guidance and tips to your QS job interviews. My name is Fawzar, and I'm here to help you. An essential topic is senior cost engineering responsibilities in quantity surveying interview. Let's get started. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and essential role of a senior cost engineer. If you've ever wondered what it takes to manage project costs effectively and ensure financial success, this video is for you. Let's break down the key responsibilities of a senior cost engineer one step at a time. First, a senior cost engineer is responsible for preparing detailed budget estimates. This involves analyzing benchmark data from past projects and using industry standards. By capturing all cost elements accurately, they ensure the project stays financially sound while applying value engineering to find the most economical solutions. Creating and updating a benchmarking database is another crucial task. This comprehensive record includes cost and performance metrics from regional and international sources, helping to set realistic budgets and compare project costs effectively. In value engineering workshops, senior cost engineers review designs and recommend cost-effective alternatives. The goal is to deliver the same or better results at a lower cost, ensuring quality is never compromised. By attending cost meetings, senior cost engineers provide expert advice to stakeholders, addressing construction costs and resolving budget concerns. Their insights ensure all financial aspects are clearly understood. Conducting site visits is vital for understanding project conditions and progress. By observing firsthand, they can identify on-site issues that may impact costs and provide accurate recommendations. Reviewing project designs and initiating cost planning early ensures that the design aligns with the budget. This proactive approach helps prevent costly overruns down the line. Senior cost engineers lead continuous improvement efforts by identifying inefficiencies and implementing cost optimization measures, ensuring project efficiency is maximized. Monitoring economic trends like material prices and labor rates allows them to anticipate risks and adjust budgets accordingly, keeping the project financially stable. By applying standardized cost engineering practices, they ensure consistency and reliability across all projects, promoting high-quality cost control. Collaborating with project teams to develop accurate cost forecasts ensures financial feasibility and uncovers value engineering opportunities. Evaluating change notices and claims is critical. They assess these requests to determine their validity, ensuring effective cost management. Gathering essential cost information from contractors and suppliers ensures that budgets are accurate and all financial data is accounted for. Verifying contractor payment applications ensures that payments align with completed work, maintaining financial control. Preparing cash flow forecasts aligns project funds with schedules, ensuring smooth progress without financial interruptions. Lastly, building strong relationships with stakeholders, contractors, and suppliers fosters transparent communication and prompt issue resolution, creating a collaborative environment for success. So, there you have it, the diverse and dynamic responsibilities of a senior cost engineer. These tasks are crucial for maintaining financial control, optimizing costs, and ensuring project success. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more insightful episodes where we unpack other key topics in quantity surveying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for updates. Until next time, take care and keep building towards success.